Imagine diving into the ocean and finding a rusty, broken box. At first it looks like old junk, but then you realize it's full of tiny gears, levers, and pieces of bronze that once moved in perfect order. It's not treasure in the usual way, but what it can teach us is priceless. This strange object was found by sponge divers off the coast of a Greek island in 1901. It was lying deep under the sea for nearly 2,000 years. The parts were stuck together by time, salt, and rust. No one knew what it really was. For decades, it sat in a museum, gathering dust. People called it the Antikythera Mechanism, named after the island where it was found. Scientists guessed it was just a fancy clock or maybe a piece of an old ship. It didn't seem that special. But years later, researchers took a closer look. They used X-rays to see inside without breaking it apart. What they saw was something no one expected. Dozens of tiny gears working together. Some moved forward, others backward. Some turned faster than the rest. Slowly they began to understand. This wasn't just a clock. It was a kind of machine that could show the movement of the sun, the moon, and even the planets. It could predict eclipses. It could tell the date of the next Olympic Games. It even had labels for the zodiac signs. All this built more than 2,000 years ago. Think about that for a second. No computers, no electricity, no internet. And yet someone in ancient Greece made a machine that worked like a modern calculator. It could do something people thought wasn't even possible back then. Track time and space in a way only science could explain. But here's what's even more surprising. We don't know who made it. There are no records, no books, no drawings, just this one device. Imagine creating something so smart, so advanced, and then it disappears for thousands of years. It makes you wonder, what else was lost? Many experts believe this device was hundreds, maybe even 1,000 years ahead of its time. The next time anything similar was built was during the 14th century. That's a gap of over 1,400 years. It's like if someone today built a spaceship, and then no one built another one until the year 3,500. The Antikythera Mechanism changes the way we think about the past. It tells us that people back then weren't simple or slow. They were brilliant, curious, inventive, just like us. This story isn't just about gears and machines. It's about how easy it is to forget what humans are capable of. When we think of ancient times, we often imagine people who didn't know much, but maybe they knew more than we give them credit for. We may never know who made the Antikythera Mechanism, but thanks to that broken device found at the bottom of the sea, we know this: human intelligence has always been powerful. Sometimes it just takes time to be seen. So next time you see something old, rusty, or forgotten, think again. Hidden inside could be something that once amazed the world, and maybe it still can.